this video I'm going to show you how to install the Facebook Pixel to your website. So once you've kind of set up your Facebook Business Manager, one of the next steps you should do is to actually put the Pixel on your website, as it will start creating that audience for you while you start looking at doing your ads, etc. So especially if you've got a high volume traffic site, you really want to do this as soon as possible. So you go to settings and we'll go to pixels. And because it's the first time that you would have logged in and created your pixels, what we'll need to do is to actually create the pixel. So we click on create. We're going to give us a name. I'm actually setting this up for my dad, so you know, everything's in his name at the moment. So the website URL for that, just use that as an example, and I'm just going to go and click on create. So now he has a pixel set up in his account. So once you've set it up, it's going to ask you what you want to do next, and what we want to do is we want to just manually install this. So it tells you where it wants to go. This is the pixel here, so if you just click on that, so it copies it to the clipboard. There are advanced things that you can do to this. I'm not going to do that in this video. I will create another video in the near future to show you all the extra bits that you can do on with a pixel, especially for tracking, etc. So what we then do is we take a copy of that pixel, and what you can do is go to your website. Now, websites that I create and manage and use myself are all WordPress websites. So there's a plugin that I normally use, as it helps me to get this on there quickly, and it's called Headers, Insert in Headers and Footers by WP Beginner, which is a great resource to learn anything about WordPress, and they created this plugin to make it easier for you to insert these codes onto your website. So if you look for this plugin and then go to your website and install it. So you can just do this from the normal plugins menu and search for it, and it will come up, and just make sure it's the one by WP Beginner. You'll then go to settings, and down here you'll find one that says insert headers and footers. So if you click on that, you'll see it says there scripts and header. You'll click on here, paste it in there, and click on save, and then that's then installed on your website. You can then go back to this and enter the URL for your website and click send traffic. You can then just go to the website, and it wouldn't double check to make sure that that's installed properly for you. And once you've done that, you can click on continue, and this is where you can add extra events to the pixel if you want to, and I will be going through those at a later date, as I just want to make sure that you can install the pixel on your site for now, because that will just help you create the custom audiences, etc. In the future. So we're not going to bother with this at this moment in time. We're just going to click on done, and that's the pixel installed on your website.